Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an amazing application that you can use to watch live TV as well as live sports from all over the world. It includes TV from US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, and other countries as well. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in the app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, you'll have to go to search, and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. Then, as you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings. Let's do it right now. Click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here, you'll have to enable developer options on your device, but on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you are not able to find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick. Now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which appeared here. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on our device. There it is, we open it, and here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for NordVPN. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, we open it. Then let's go to Downloader, of course. Open a Downloader and wait until the app loads for you. And then here, in that bar, we'll need to enter a link, which is going to be rapidstreams.online. So let's enter it together. So once again, it's rapid streams dot online. So here we go, you can see the link on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work for you. And after that, you have to click on go. While the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And then, after the website opened, we gotta click on that menu button right here, and from here just go to download. Then a new web page should open up. Yep, we need to scroll it down a bit until we find the download rapid streams button. It's right there, so we click on it and wait until the download starts for us. That shouldn't take too long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then we have to click on install and wait until Rapid Streams is installed to your Fire Stick or Android TV device. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, and here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way, we get rid of unnecessary installation files from your Fire Stick and save you some free space on your device. And that's really important, because you don't really have too much of free space on your Fire Stick anyway. Then we'll have to open the list of apps on your device, and there you'll find the Rapid Streams, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, Rapid Streams is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can use the link below the video, or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN for free. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.